and welcome to the emergency edition of Daily Crypto Trading with me, Malachi Kelly, professional trader for over 10 years now. Now, generally, I don't do the daily updates on a Saturday and Sunday because I like to spend it with my family. But the market has shown its hand. I woke up this morning and we've seen a major cross on the 30-minute chart with the 50-day moving average and the 100-day moving average. So here's the cross, and it's been met with a huge amount of volume, which has made me pay attention because price has dropped through to support levels. So now is a really good time to place our trade, and what we're going to do is we're going to place our orders on three markets that we're looking at, which is XRP, Ripple, Bitcoin, BTC, and Stellar Lumens XLM. So I'm going to show you how to do that on this platform and how I get my levels. So first of all, now we've seen the move. We were looking at this move or waiting for this move for the last couple of days, and it's not happened. It's just been moving between this range and not really going anywhere. But now we've seen the moving averages cross and price decline significantly. So it's been met with a lot of volume. So now what we're hoping to see is that price will now pull back from this level. As you can see, the stochastics are oversold. So we should see a pullback, and pullback should be around this level. We're seeing DP up here, but let's fib the move and get some more indicators in play to see where this price can possibly pull back to, and a good place to get into this new downtrend that's presented itself today. Now, it doesn't really make a difference if you draw the Fibonacci from here, if you draw the Fibonacci from here, but I would draw it from here because this is where the cross took place. As you can see, cross took place here, and this was the subsequent market move after the cross. So we'll take it from here down to the bottom of the move, which is here. And the reason why this is so interesting is because it gives you a really good risk-reward trade. Because potentially, let me get this zoom right. So potentially we're looking for a pullback from here up to, we're talking about the 61.8 fib. We could see a move up to DP, which is about 66. Now, depending on how you want to play this, I would place an order anywhere between here and here. But looking at previous levels of possible resistance, this area looks like this is probably the top of the move, the pullback. Now, you don't want to worry about the best place to put this line. You just want to make sure that you think potentially if price comes up to here, we're then going to see it challenge the low again. Now, we've seen price try to go up previously. It's gone up here, it went up to 70 cents a ripple, and then came down, and then went up again and came down. But every time it's gone up, it's not really been able to hit that new high. As much as we want it to go up, it does look like it is now going down. With that said, looking back on previous price action, it did the same here. It was going down, it went sideways, and then it went down, then it went up. So potentially, this could just be a move before it goes up. And if you look over the last, well, it's from the 30th of June, price has been going up. So it's very risky placing a sell trade against the trend. The trend is our friend until proven otherwise, and at the moment it is going up. Now, we have seen a break of the support level, and the price has dropped down and made an immediate new low, but it has only come down to similar support levels as before. And as you can see, here's the old DP, and this is the new DP, which just started here. Now, we may see price oscillate between DPs for the next couple of days, which is a good thing for us to place a very nice trade. If price comes up to our line here, we short this instrument back down to its support levels. So let's move over to our virtual portfolio and place this trade. So what we say, we're going to 65, 75, 60, 61, 61, 40, 61, 40, 61, 40, 65, 75. So we're looking to sell. I'm going to place an order. The price has got to get up to 65, 75. You can't set a stop. Forgot. Okay, and then so this is the we're gonna our sell rate when price gets to 65.75, a trade will open automatically and start selling Ripple. We'll need to put a exit price on this once we set the order. So that's our order on XRP set. Let's go to BTC and place the same trade. You see how these markets are so similar? But BTC has already started to make a comeback. We're going to go here, 75.46, 75.46, 75.46, trade, sell, trade, order, 75, 75, go 75.48. And then one more on XLM, and we're done. Watch list. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies. Stellar. Stellar one looks a bit more tricky. I need to fib this move. This is where the cross happened. So I take it from here. 61% fibber. Okay. So take from there, which is 28, 28, 10, 28, 10. So order 28, 10. So just so you don't have to do $1,000 trades. If this was a real money account, the minimum you would need to put on to set these orders was $200. So if you had $600 in your account, you could have placed these 3 trades today. Now you don't have to stop at just those 3 trades, because we've seen the correlation between all of the coins. They all move in the same pattern. So you could place the trade, small trade, on multiple cryptocurrencies and increase your profit but lower your risk. Now that's the emergency report done for today. When we go back to our daily analysis tomorrow, then we can have a look at the performance of these trades, whether they've triggered, how the pullbacks happened, and so on and so forth. But it'll be a good talking point for next week to see how these trades perform based on the alert that we received today. I've been Malachi Kelly. You've been awesome. Thanks for listening and happy trading.